Here's another good one. Since we're from the barbecue capital, Texas, we're gonna add in a barbecue flavored jerky. Again, we want to start with 8 pounds of venison or lean beef, and I would suggest using this on either one of those. 2 teaspoons curing salt, 4 cups tomato ketchup, 4 tablespoons mustard, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 cup Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of the coarse ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons garlic, and you want that minced garlic this time, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of minced onion, and make that a fresh onion, 4 tablespoons of salt, and 2 cups of water.